Most runners don't realize that the secret to burning fat isn't just how hard you push, it's when you choose to run. Meet Sarah, a busy professional who struggled with crowded gym hours and inconsistent workouts. She discovered interval running, alternating 30-second sprints with 90-second recovery jogs. This pattern triggered her body's power development systems while torching calories for hours afterward. But here's the game changer. She scheduled her runs during quieter morning hours, avoiding peak traffic and social interruptions. The result? Her body metabolized fat 27% more efficiently than steady-pace running, and without social pressures derailing her focus, she maintained consistency for 12 weeks straight. Her power output increased, her weight dropped, and she never missed a session. The modified intervals reshaped not just her body, but her entire fitness relationship. What's stopping you from finding your optimal training window?